commemorate the 79th anniversary of India's independence. As a faculty members of this esteemed institution, it's our honor to reflect on the significance of this day. Our nation has transferred a remarkable journey from the struggle of the past to the triumphs of the present. We have achieved milestones in various fields, and our progress is testament to the collective efforts of our citizens. As educators, we play a vital role in shaping the minds of future generations. We inspire, guide, and mentor our students to become responsible citizens, equipped with the knowledge, skills, and values necessary to contribute to our nation's growth. On this momentous occasion, let's reaffirm our commitment to nurturing a spirit of unity, integrity, and patriotism among our students. Let's strive to create an environment that fosters a critical thinking and inclusivity. As we celebrate our independence, let's acknowledge the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and the contribution of our country's individuals who work tirelessly to build a nation. कांटे में भी फूल खिले, कांटों में भी फूल खिले, इस धरती को स्वर्ग बनाने और सबको गले लगाए, हम स्वतंत्र दिवस मनाएं। जय हिंद।
जो शहीद